How to survive a plane crash. Your odds of not dying in a plane crash are already incredibly high. The White House National Security Council estimates the likelihood of dying in a plane crash at just 1 in 205,552 over the course of a lifetime. By comparison, automobiles offer a stomach-turning 1 in the 102 lifetime risk of death. That said, there's no harm in taking steps to increase the odds of survival, just in case. Be careful what you wear. The ideal travel attire to reduce the risk of death or injury is made of cotton, wool, or other natural fibers. Man-made fibers can melt onto your skin in a fire, causing injury and decreasing mobility when you need it most. Loose-fitting garments can become caught on debris in the event of a crash. Avoid sweaters, scarves, or anything else that might impede your ability to exit the aircraft. Have an escape plan. Pay attention to the safety instructions at the start of the flight. Count how many rows of seats there are between you and the nearest exit so that you can find your way in the dark, or in smoke, by touch alone. Statistically, the safest seats are in the rear, where survival rates are 69%, as opposed to 56% over the wing and 49% at the front of the plane. Survive the impact. Pull the seat belt as tight as possible and adopt the brace position. Place your head over your knees, hold on to your calves, and get your upper body as low down as possible. It reduces whiplash and stops you from flying forward and hitting the seat in front of you. Place your feet flat on the floor, farther back than your knees, and wedge something soft under the seat in front to act as a cushion. Lots of people break their legs below the knee on impact. Release the seat belt. Flick away, don't press. Many people waste precious time trying to unlock their seat belt the wrong way. They are used to the push button release used in cars, and under pressure, they revert to this pressing action when they should be unclasping the buckle by flicking the latch away from them. Don't inhale smoke. Hold your breath or wrap a wet handkerchief around your mouth and nose to filter out some of the smoke. Better still, pack a smoke hood in your carry-on. Just a few breaths of toxic smoke can render you unconscious. If you get your eyes and nose at floor level, you will avoid the smoke but risk getting trampled by other passengers. Keep in mind, cabin floor lights are red but turn green at the exits. Listen for instructions, but don't wait for them. Pay attention to instructions from the flight attendants, but if none are forthcoming, don't sit there doing nothing. Those around you may be in shock and will just sit as if stuck in their seats, while others panic and block the exits within seconds. Don't wait. Get moving and calmly head for the nearest exit. Get yourself out. If you like this video or would like to see more such videos, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.